What makes us happy? Is it money? A fancy car? A nice house?
Agit niya travel. Bilog na lang makabot mo. Yang gaboy nalain na. Ako yung ibuan kay pareha na pagkikuha. Pareha pagkakuha pa.
For me, being connected to nature is a way to survive.
Ito, gasin ko. Halit ay wala asin. Ano na? Sige, salamat.
Nature is an eternal gift to the soul. Being in nature is an arousing feeling of joy, peace, and contentment. I found this feeling could also be replicated by capturing nature in every pieces of our daily lives. If she wasn't always readily accessible, a simple laugh with a friend, a simple gaze up in the sky, and being present for the moment. Such thing can give solace and comfort. Let nature makes us a nicer person. Let it remove all the man-made pressures we face in our daily lives. We spend so much time dwelling with those man-made structures, from our homes to our working space, imposing us a constant reminder of all our life worries, stresses, and anxiety.
Want you to decide, make it alright. Want you to decide, make it alright, make it alright. Tears fall at last. I see my past like it's still around, but am I happy now? Am I happy now? Are you happy now? Pictures might last.
When we break free from all the confinement of those man-made structures, we also break free from all the societal roles and labels. We step out into the natural world unhindered and with a greater sense of freedom, unparalleled to anyone else.
Never thought